I'm going to show you how you can make $500, even more, in just 5 minutes by doing something I'm going to be showing you, which is effortlessly done, and you don't need to stress yourself. No experience is needed. You can do this from anywhere in the world. So let's get started. First, you're going to go to this website called Ideogram. This is a place where you can get to design anything you have in mind, provided you have the right prompt to use to ask this AI software to design whatever you want to design for you. I think this is a pretty cool alternative to Midjourney because it is completely for free. So as you can see here, there are a lot of designs people have already done. And what I usually do, and I would recommend to you, is once you see any design that is close to what you have in mind or has the same texture or feel to what you have in mind, all you have to do is just to click. Assuming I want to recreate something that looks like this, I'll click here. And once that opens, I will see the prompt the person used, to create this particular design. So all I'm going to do is just to copy the prompt, and then I go back and then I paste it here. And now edit what I want to edit. So I can say, name God is love, surrounded by rainbow flowers and pink and purple butterflies with drops of glitter. So if it's close to what I have in mind, or if I have any other thing I want to do in mind, but I can just like say maybe the way I want it to look. Maybe I want it to be cinematic. I would click cinematic. If I want it to be painting or 3D render, I can say 3D render. Any style I want it to be, I will just click on these styles here. And once I'm done, I'll say generate. As you can see, within a few seconds, it has given me something that I like. I think I like this one, and this one is looking quite good. So if this is what I actually want to use to do what I want to do, I can just download this one. So it's downloading, and if I want to download it, I can just click here and it will download, and I'll have it in my laptop. So, but if I don't really like any of this, or I want it to make a little more adjustments on the one that it has already given me, I can ask it to remix it here. I click generate. So you see, that's giving me pretty more cool and beautiful designs that I can choose from. I think I love this, and this one too. So they're all cool, and anyone I want, I can click it and download and have it to use it to do whatever I want to do. So this AI tool is cool, and any design you want to use it to make, be it logo or anything, you can use it even for your print on demand. You see, Faith over here, you can use it to make your print on demand designs that you can use like to print on anything you want to print it on. So this is a very good alternative to Midjourney if you're looking to have an alternative that is completely for free. So this AI tool called Ideogram is your go-to. But you now see how cool this AI tool is for you to use it to do any of those designs that you may have in mind. You just think about it, you give the AI to the right prompt, and then it's going to give you exactly what you're looking for. And of course, if you don't like the one that's given you, you always have the choice to remix the one that it has given you. So this is pretty cool. Now, the real question is, how do you make money off of this? Now, I know you may be wondering how you can possibly use this to make money. Now, I just mentioned print on demand, which is another way you can use it to make money. By the time you take the designs that's given you and you use it for your print on demand store. Now, another way is on this website I'm going to share with you now. Now, before you think of leaving this video once you have seen the website, I want to also let you know that there are a lot of rules that comes with this website, the do's and don'ts, because once you violate anyone, your account is going to be completely removed from the website and you will not be allowed to open another one. So make sure to stick to the very end of this video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways to make money online. So the next website is called designcrowd.com. This is a place where you get freelance design jobs that you can do and then you get paid. Now this website is pretty cool because it has a lot of verified jobs that come on this website that you can actually do and then you get paid. So as you can see, there are a lot of them. This one is still locked, these ones are opened, these ones are open, this one is open, this one is locked. So you see, and when you come up to this side, you're going to see the price tag for each. For this one that says logo design for land management and high-end landscaping company, they're going to pay you 390 Canadian dollars for it. This one is 110 US dollars. This one is 580 US dollars. So imagine if you're able to do a job of 580 US dollars like twice in a day and then they get approved. This is like a whole lot of money in just a few minutes. You just design logos and then you submit and then you get paid. So this is a place where you get some of these jobs, and then once you do them and it's successful, you get paid your money. So let's try to see if we can open one. So let's try and see if we can open this one that says Dolinga Painting and Fine Finishes. So we've clicked and it has opened and it says, I'm a commercial residential painting contractor in Kona, Hawaii. I'm looking for a fun, colorful, unique and Hawaiian themed logo which I can use for my t-shirts and business cards. So you see they have given you a description of what they want. So it's now up to you to think of something that you can do, to like make sure that you get something close to what this person is looking for. All you have to do is just do your due diligence to it, and then make sure that you come up with something that is close to what they have in mind. And of course, you see the project deadline is 2nd of October 2023. So whatever you're doing, you have to make sure that you submit your design before the deadline. So as you can see here, this is t-shirt design inspiration that you can click, and you see examples of typographic t-shirt designs that you can actually use to have an inspiration for the type of thing the person may be looking for based on the description they gave. So you go through all this. And of course, once you're done, you write down what you have in mind to do about the design. If you are to design this logo, now all you have to do is just to copy this description it has given you, and then you go back to that website and use it to give you the prompt of what to design for you. And once you're done, you click here to submit your design. So with this, you can actually make as many logos as possible depending on what you want to do. And you have to use the method I showed you earlier about copying the prompts that you've seen people that design something that you like have used, and then you use it to incorporate with the description that you have gotten, and then you have your logo. But using this website, you have to bear in mind that there are some rules that you have to follow. And like I mentioned earlier, if you don't follow these rules, your account will be terminated and you will not be able to reopen a new one. So all you have to do is just to follow the guidelines that are on the website. So something like this. As you can see, the submitting designs guideline. There are a lot of things here that you have to read through before you start using this website. So, but it says for submitting logos, you have to upload preview files that are maximum of 1,200 to 1,000 pixels of type, PNG, JPEG, and JPG. So they accept files of up to 15 MB. So you have to like go through all of this to make sure that whatever design you're making is up to like the guideline and they have put in place to be able to like meet to make sure that your design meets the guideline. So you have to follow this and make sure you read through to understand so that your account will not be terminated entirely. So watermarks on submissions are not permitted. So you have to have that in mind too. A lot of things here to read and understand before you start using this whole website. And of course, everything is completely for free. So you don't have anything to lose just for you to make design and submit. So once you're able to submit your design, you're going to receive an email telling you if your design was accepted or not. And if it was accepted, they're also going to tell you the next step to do as regards to making your payment. You have to bear in mind that this is a competition because you're not the only one submitting designs. So you have to make sure that whatever design you're going to be submitting is actually going to be able to compete with other designs people other places are going to also be submitting. And the payments are usually made through Payoneer or PayPal. So if you don't have any of these accounts, you have to make sure you have one before you start submitting your designs. And like I said, don't take the submission guidelines and everything for granted because they follow the whole instruction that they have written on the guidelines so that you don't have your account terminated completely. So if you're someone that loves exercising or you want to stay in shape, you can actually do this and earn money. Do well to check out this video where I explain how you can exercise, walk around and get paid for it. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to my channel because I make videos about how you can make money online so you don't miss out on anyone. And I'll see you in the next one.